Let's take a look at the production process of egg tarts in the factory. First, workers select fresh eggs from hens. They crack the eggs and pour them into a stainless steel bowl. Next, using an egg yolk separator, they separate the egg yolks and pour them into a larger stainless steel bowl. A proper amount of cornstarch is added, and everything is stirred evenly. This helps make the egg tarts thicker. Once mixed, the mixture is poured into a blender. Then, pure milk, condensed milk, light cream, and white sugar are added. The mixture is blended again to form the egg tart filling. The egg mixture is then filtered through a fine sieve. While the egg tart filling is being made, another group of workers in a different workshop will cut butter into small pieces. They mix it with flour, baking powder, and water to make the egg tart crust. The dough is evenly mixed and then pressed by a machine into equally sized dough balls. The dough is placed into molds, then pressed into shape, and the egg tart crust is completed. Next, the prepared egg tart filling is poured into the crusts. Baked at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The result is a delicious, fragrant egg tart, fresh out of the oven.